this room shouldn't be too bad. But this time of year is the perfect time to move your sofa and to clean underneath it, really focusing on your skirting boards. Don't forget to reach up high for those cobwebs, and your TV remote controls are going to be a big germ hotspot in your lounge. If you've got removable cushion covers, it's a good time of year to take these off, pop them in the wash and let them air outside in the lovely spring weather. How often do you pull out your sofa? Let's pull our sofas out for the big spring clean. Vacuum underneath them, wash the floor and dust the skirting board. Our sofas contain lots of bacteria and germs. We spend so much time of our life sat on our sofas eating food, so they do get grubby. A good way to keep your sofa clean is to give it a really good steam. Now, steam will kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria, so it's definitely a great way to keep your sofa fresh and looking new.